What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post videos regarding how to make money online. And you can easily make money if you are a photographer, and if you have come here just to know how to make money as a photographer, then let's go. But before we proceed, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily nowadays, and I will post more videos regarding how you can make money. So stay tuned guys. For now, let us focus on our screen. As you can see behind me, let us take a look at Scoop Shot. Okay, what the Scoop Shot is that unlike other photography websites where you can sell your photos, in this website what you have to do is you have to download an app called Scoop Shot from either from Apple Apple iTunes Store, and actually you have to click some specific photos, and they will tell you what kind of photos they want. Okay, and they can use these photos in magazines and stuff like that. So before we proceed, if you're a really nice photographer, you have to download this here, sign up as a photographer. As you can see, you can sign up here, and you have to download an app on your phone, through which you have to take the photos. Okay, and after that, after taking the photos, if you upload it on this platform, and if your photo gets approved, okay, then you'll be able to make a lot of money, and they will directly do the marketing and stuff like that for you, and they will sell your photos worldwide. And now when they sell their first copy of your photo, and it will show up in your app, okay, Scoop Shot app, and you'll be able to view the balance in Scoop Shot app. And moreover, when some amount is accumulated as a Scoop Shot balance, then you will be able to withdraw it. As you can see here, you can withdraw it to as a bank transfer or PayPal, and obviously everyone is using PayPal, so PayPal is the more convenient way to receive money. So I think you should try this out. Okay, now as you can see, for Scoop Shot, I have found a really interesting article like this. The man makes $20,000 on his smartphone with Scoop Shot, and they have also paid almost 59 users have received more than $1,000 for taking photos and uploading through this app. Okay, and you might have a chance to do that. So he has earned more than $19,000 by taking pictures and uploading them to the free to download Scoop Shot app on his Android smartphone. Yes, downloading Scoop Shot app is free, and you won't be charged for that. In return, you will receive money if you take the photo and send it over to them, and if they publish it, obviously. And okay, this is the Scoop Shot is done, and now I'm going to show another website where you can also sell your photos online, and once it's approved, you'll be able to sell worldwide, and it's called Anamik. Okay, Anamik is a really there are so many stock photos. As you can see, they are specialized in selling stock photos. Okay, and if you get accepted into this platform, then you'll be able to sell worldwide, and obviously you will receive like a commission for this, and you'll receive some money. Like there is some kind of revenue share. So what you have to do is that you go to contributor section, become a contributor, and then here you have to do is become a contributor. As you can see here, there are so many features available, and if you're a student, that's really great, and they will send you 100% commissions for any direct image license sold on Anamik. Okay, if you're a student, you'll get the 100% of the commission, and that's a really good thing. Now they have already paid out $1 million every month, to the contributor, and that's insane. Now become a contributor, get started, and then you have to put your first name, last name, email address, and also make sure the email address is the same as of your PayPal address, because the PayPal address it will be much easier to verify. Okay, by signing up you will get 50% commission for exclusive images. Exclusive images are those which are provided to which are purchased by like publishers for like it can be sold to only one person. Okay, so it's called exclusive image, and for 40% commission for non-exclusive, I would say go for the non-exclusive one, because you will receive 40% commission and you will be able to sell that photo again and again and again. Okay, and you will get a lot of money, and I'd say go with non-exclusive license. Okay, a quick and easy submission process, a straightforward and hassle-free contract. But here's a catch. They require a really high quality photo, and make sure the quality of the photo is really good, otherwise it might get denied. Okay, so you have to put all this information and then sign up. It's so easy. And these are the things which I wanted to tell in this video for all of you guys, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. And if you find this helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos for about like daily nowadays. And also there is a disclaimer that this method of earning may or may not work for you. I recommend you to try it out and see if it works for you, and there is no guarantee that it will work. Okay, as a disclaimer. And I guess thanks for watching, and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I said. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.